Knockout Production.
Tryna go round the thing, tryna go round the thing, cause you will pay for learn youth. Friend of me forgot me head back anywhere in the world youth. So we don't care if you bomb or not.
Welcome on YouTube, this is your boy Chef Fitzy back in the building with another recipe. Today I'm going to teach you how to make Jamaican coconut curry fish. Alright? So stay tuned while I show you how to make your Jamaican coconut curry fish. Alright?
Knockout Production.
Tryna go round the thing, tryna go round the thing, cause you will pay for learn youth. Friend of me forgot me head back anywhere in the world youth. So we don't care if you bomb or not.
Alright, welcome back. So today you can see I have some dolphin here. Them call it mai. I'm preparing. Alright. So we're doing it simple today. We're gonna add a little bit of black pepper. Nicely. Alright. On both sides. Black pepper. We're not over season with fish, you know. Then we're gonna add a little bit of salt. Not over season our fish today. Right. A little bit of salt. Can't over season it, right? And then we're gonna add a little bit of all-purpose. We're using the Maggi all-purpose, as you can see. Yeah, so we add a little bit of all-purpose to it. Not a lot, because we don't want over season with fish, you know, as we say. Rub them in nicely. Alright, so we're gonna leave that like for 5 minutes to marinate. 5 minutes, man. And take my rub it in nicely, as you can see. And then we're gonna marinate it. Leave it for 5 minutes, cool off. Alright? Alright, so here we have our pot heated. We're gonna add some olive oil. Alright? About that amount of olive oil will do. Good. Alright? So here we have some chopped, some grated garlic. We're going to add it to the pot. Nice. Right. That's about 3 cloves of garlic. And then we're going to add some curry. Alright, so that amount of curry is good. Alright. So look, let it kind of brown a little bit. So after your curry kind of brown a little bit, you're gonna add your fish, your mai. Okay. Your dolphin. Right. Alright, so after you get the two sides brown, you're going to add your coconut milk. This is my homemade coconut milk. Look at it. Yeah, I grated this and juice it. My homemade coconut milk. So you're going to leave that on an eye and leave it to cook, to boil down for about 10 minutes. Alright? Alright, so as you can see, pay close attention. We have some bell pepper, we have some green one, we have some yellow one, also we have some red one. We also have some tomato, we have 2 pieces of scotch bonnet, we have green onion, which is scallion, we have thyme, we also have the white onion, and we have some carrots. Alright, all of this we're going to add to our fish. Alright, so after 10 minutes you can see our coconut milk actually boil down the most. So we're going to basically add our vegetable that we prepared. So, right. I'm going to leave this like for 5 minutes to cook down. Yeah. Look how beautiful it is, man. Our coconut curry fish, boy. Alright. So we're gonna leave this cook down for about 5 minutes. Alright. So after 5 minutes, this is how our fish look, yeah? Look at it. Wow. Look at the thickness of the gravy. Looks so good. Yeah? Right. So we're gonna share you now. Looking good, boy. Coconut curry fish, boy. There you have it, guys. Our coconut curry fish. Look at how beautiful it is. We serve with some potato salad. Look at how gorgeous it is, man. I can't wait to get down tonight. Yeah? I hope you guys enjoy this cooking show today. I hope you continue to follow me to see many more on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Yeah? I'm out.
Knockout Production.
Tryna go round the thing, tryna go round the thing, cause you will pay for learn youth. Friend of me ever got me head back anywhere in the world youth. So we don't care if you bomb or not.